Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Arsenal manager Mikel Arteta has sent a powerful warning to the Gunners' rivals, declaring that his ultimate ambition is to turn Arsenal into the best club in the world. After winning the Premier League title last season, Arsenal are now preparing to defend their crown and build a new era of dominance. Arteta believes the club has everything needed to achieve greatness, world-class facilities, an incredible stadium, passionate supporters, and a squad filled with top-quality players. The manager wants Arsenal to maintain their success and create a dynasty similar to the one Manchester City enjoyed under Pep Guardiola. With Guardiola's departure at the end of last season, Arteta sees a huge opportunity for Arsenal to dominate English football for years to come. The Gunners have already strengthened their squad with the signings of Bruno Guimaraes and Christos Tzolis. They are also close to signing defender Ezri Konsa and continue to be linked. Filled with top-quality players, the manager wants Arsenal to maintain their success and create a dynasty similar to the one Manchester City with Atletico Madrid star Julian Alvarez. Arsenal showed their strength by beating Manchester City 3-0 in the Community Shield, sending a clear message to their rivals. But Arteta and his players are not satisfied. After the heartbreak of losing the Champions League final last season, their hunger is stronger than ever. The message from Arteta is simple. Arsenal want more, and their journey to become the best club in the world has only just begun. Thanks with Atletico Madrid star Julian